We had a barbecue in San Tropez.
Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning, and we're on our way to Rainbow Beach. We're going to meet up with Katie's dad and Gimpy, and then are we all driving there together, or is he driving there?
I'm going to assume so.
So then we'll all drive to the Rainbow Beach, and Darcy's second beach day.
It's proper beach this time because like the other one's more of like a creek, isn't it? Morning. It's more of like a creek than an actual wavy beach.
Yeah. So now actually, I wonder if he'll be scared of the waves or not.
I reckon at first the noise will be a little bit daunting.
Yeah. And then when they start splashing over his face, he'll probably get a bit annoyed. But no, we won't let that happen. We haven't seen you guys since last year. Oh my god.
Oh my god. We just filled up the car. Well, we actually didn't fill it up. We only put $20 in because it's like nearly $1.50 for a litre. That's ridiculous. When the south side was $1.38. So we should have filled up there. But normally the north side is cheaper, so that's really, really strange. And we're gonna get a coffee and a Krispy Kreme combo, which I'm so excited about because I have not had a Krispy Kreme in a long time. It's probably since I was pregnant, which probably isn't a long time, but it is for not having Krispy Kremes in my life. Darcy was asleep. He is now awake, but he's content. So that's the main and important thing, and hopefully he'll go back off to sleep when we drive off. Come on here and sit from the snow from behind me. Boing boing boing. Boing boing boing. Boing boing boing. Boing 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 boing. Boing boing boing. Boing 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 boing.
Get made with some friends drinking booze, getting all loose. We drove the cars to the beach on the outside of the street, sat around a bonfire, eating marshmallows all night. We were young at the time, I know it, but you were so damn fine. Couldn't get you on my mind. We were young at the time, I know it, but I wanted something more than you. 'Cause you wanna be free for the summer, free for the summer, free for the sun. You wanna be free for the summer.
So I'm not sure if you can hear me, but this is the beach that I came to in my high school years, and it did not look this brown. All the algae has been stirred up by the big storms that have happened, so it's normally as picturesque as it is behind the blue stuff, but we'll deal with it. But how stunning is this sand? Like, just gorgeous. And I have to be careful because cars can drive on this beach. And we're just here. Cars can't drive on this side.
Summer at the beach in San Tropez. I was with my friends, you were by yourself. You came to hang out with me. When the summer reaches end, then I'm worth your attention. But I had enough playing this game with yours. We were young at the time, I know it, but you were so damn fine. Couldn't get you on my mind. We were young at the time, I know it, said you want me free for summer. Free for the summer, free for the summer. Free for summer.
Yes. Oh no, distraction. Distraction there.
Fast asleep. Well, he was.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
That was a success.
It was nice.
I'm very burnt though. Can you see that in the camera?
And now I can see it here. My arms are glowing.
Oh my god, you are too.
I put sunscreen on, but obviously
Are you burnt, Dad?
My legs probably feel burnt.
Yeah. And we all like put sunscreen on.
Yeah, put a little bit on.
Gee, this road's bumpy, isn't it? Ooh. But yeah, we're on our way home. We had a great day at the beach. We had fish and chips for lunch, which were ish. They were a bit oily, but they filled the hole. And yeah, the beach really was a bit of a disappointment in terms of there was a lot of algae. So Dad was saying that there was a storm that had come. Was it yesterday? You said? Yeah. So I think that the algae got like stirred up in that, and it was all just sitting there. I've never seen that beach look like that, and it really wasn't that appealing to go jump into, but it was fun. And Darcy got a mess of sand all on his face and in his mouth and everything. Quite embarrassing, really. All right, that is it.
Yeah, it was a good day.
It was a very good day.
I was very worried about Darcy though. I was like,
When he got sand in
I was
his
like, I have
mouth.
nothing to wash you with. You're all dirty, I'm all dirty.
Yes. He's probably going to sleep on the way home. As
No,
I
he's
might. No?
He's wide awake.
Is he? He will though. He'll fall asleep. Alright. I might do that too. Might have a little sleep. A little nappy nap.
This side.
Some wild horses. We are home now. Darcy is down for the count. He literally took like 2 minutes to go to sleep after feeding and a bath. Oh my god, my hair. Embarrassing. Yes. I can't speak. We have sand absolutely everywhere through our house at the moment, so tomorrow is going to be a lot of vacuuming. And I have a big night ahead of me for editing, because if you haven't seen on my channel page, I have now decided that I'm going to do uploads on Mondays and Thursdays at 2 p.m. So if you ever want to know when I've uploaded, put the bell notifications on, but also come to my channel at those times because they will be my upload days and time. And yeah, if you're not even subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Okay, that is it for me for tonight. I'm all sunburnt, got to edit to get it up for tomorrow. And I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!